Penaing na liar.
Kak, nyanyi mau aduk gitu.
Hah? Anjing sih ya, ha?
Ini buat anjing nyanyi.
Naon?
Kalem wah.
Oke, kita ada di hutan 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 naon, Will?
Rimba.
Rimba. Anjing mobil, ha?
Terlalu lama anjing.
Ganggu bet mobil. Sorry ya.
Komik ini udah ke bawah.
Anjing sok ngomik budak euy. Ayo.
Ininya sini.
Hah? Kan goblok yang dengan item. Tuh. Di sini pasti bakal ada item.
Apa ya?
Tuh.
Tadi
Didi,
anak.
dihanap.
Tadi ini ya. Tadi ini ya.
Kita akan berendam dulu. Anjing bisa berendam mah.
Tuluy anjing siapa?
Apa? Palid hirup.
Ada pun batu.
Naon hanapkeun batu teh?
Ini ininya. Tadi wah. Tadi wah.
Iya.
Wah. Tuh. Lurus. Nah. Ayo kita tempat itu dia. Oh. Ya benar.
Si Bagong ngabejaan teh tebaleg.
Ah. Ada
Eta motor gandeng nah suwe. Oh komik.
Another one.
dari cokotnya kunaon?
Nah ini teh komik Starlight Sepag. Itu mobilnya. Anjing. Diduga supir mengantuk. Anjing. Kita bercamping di sini ya. Camping. Kalau aduh aing. Bener tuh itu settingan teh. Wow.
What's that?
Right there's a hydroelectric power plant.
Tenaga
A
listrik.
hydro
It
Naon
uses
disebut
the
nanti,
river's
Wak?
movement and turns it into
PLN.
electricity.
How does it do that?
Look, I know what it is. I don't know how it does it.
All right. How are we
Bisa
getting across?
banyak sigma.
Right.
Alright.
There you go.
Ambil. Pull. Healing speed boleh lah. Crafting. Utamakan darah dan bom. Aman. Let's go, my man.
Alung-alung kan udah lupa.
Push. Yang kuat atuh Jol.
Well, that gets us halfway. If we get the other one up, we'll make it across.
Naon cenah si tangkurak teh ngomong naon. Ai tunggu. Sup. Anjing selam. Papan. Bener cek urang ge. Terus.
All right, I need you to.
I know. Step on
Fucking
the
plant.
Fucking pallet.
Ayo naik. Buru atuh. Udah. Fucking flat.
Tarik arusnya.
Yang baik sih modar anjing. Sadim jala berahna yang ngomong aduh kotor pisan. Iku mau tahan nu gigir. Kudu duin.
Aneh ya juga yang ini salah.
Jadi kosong item adik-adik. Anjing bugang kadang ala hungkul di dia mah. Kosong we nya.
Kosong ke.
Ayo Jo. Buru. Ini nyantai
Hey, be careful crossing that thing.
I will.
Baik apa?
Nya.
Teamwork.
Teamwork. Awil teh apal artinya teh tahu gitu. Wa
I will.
awil.
Why?
Oh no, ini kuburan naon?
That's too small of a grave.
Keren.
Forgot to leave that stupid robot on his grave. What should I do with it?
Ellie,
What? I want to talk about it.
no.
Why not?
How many times do we need to go over this?
Itu makam budakna juga namanya, makam anakna.
It's just.
That's enough.
Tuh, nyerekan.
I'm sorry.
Kamu kemakan.
Tommy itu budak.
Ko Tommy teh paman iya adina si iya. Tah. Tom and Jerry.
Bahasa kecelakaan itu mana itu ya? Ini bahasa ditembak. Ketua lu.
Bisa jadi. Yang nginum euy kela. Pahang ngomong we jeung si tangkurak mah. Rok lanjut.
Oh, I'm so hungry.
I know, I am
Naon
too.
cenah artina aing laparnya.
Pass this
Aing
place, then we can
ngejo.
scrounge up some food.
Well, if I starve, you're responsible.
Ya kalau itu
Oh, yo. Bulldozer.
Should we head in?
Ain't no way around. Gonna have to cut through the plant.
Map. Power of map. Jackson mana biasa Wak? Anjing bedil. Itu senjata baru oi. Anjing kece badai hirup.
Oh, macam mak.
Ini satu peluru.
Omen. Kapasitas.
Kita tabungnya adik-adik. Shotgun lemah sih kurang mah, shotgun kecil. Lemah. Betah. Assalamualaikum. Anjing. Wah, digedor atuh, waduh.
Don't even think about reaching for your weapon. Tell the girl to drop hers now.
First
Ellie.
now. Lady say.
What the lady says.
Okay.
Please tell me you're lost.
Oh, we didn't know the place was occupied. We're just trying to make our way through.
Through to where?
They're all right.
You all
Do you know
right?
these people?
Know him. He's my goddamn brother.
Tommy.
Holy shit.
How you doing, baby brother?
Goddamn.
Tommy.
Let me look at you.
Tommy.
You get fucking old.
Easy. It's going to happen to you, too.
This is Maria.
It's
Be
Mary.
nice to her. She sort of runs things around here.
Ma'am, thanks for not blowing my head off.
Would have been embarrassing, considering you're my brother-in-law.
We all gotta get wrangled up at some point.
Ellie, right?
Yeah.
Ya,
What brings you through here?
That's kind of a long story.
long story.
Why don't we bring
Loba
him
we
inside?
pe obelereun.
Yeah. You hungry?
Mesti.
Starving.
Fucking gun. Anti jombai.
False alarm! They're friendlies. We've been dealing with raids. A lot
Bandit.
of bandits in this area.
It's been quiet for a few days.
Oh, loba
What the hell are you
hunter.
doing here?
Banyak
Thought I'd find
hunter
you in
di sini
Jackson.
mah.
Been trying to bring the plant back to life.
We had it working before, but one of the turbines went south.
We have
Kuda.
electricity, Joel. I had. We'll get it running again.
No way. You guys have horses.
We got a whole lot of them.
Hey, Tommy, give me a hand with this.
Sorry, I'll be right back.
Can I?
Yeah, of course. He likes when you pet his ears. You ever ride one?
I actually have.
When have you ridden a horse?
Winston,
Tak
this
kalau ngeri ya.
soldier back in the zone. He gave me
Alah.
lessons.
You know, if you want, we can take him riding later.
That'd be awesome.
That'd be awesome.
Hey, thanks, Tommy.
No sweat. All right, let's continue the tour.
Okay, let's continue.
Earl,
Yeah?
why are you here? Weren't you supposed to head back this morning?
Still waiting on
Siete.
Hauser and the rest of the boys to relieve me.
Cicing wae gawe teh.
We'll be fine. Just go home
Kerja,
with your
kerja,
family.
lur.
Just a couple more hours. I'll toughen up.
All right. Take it easy.
Hayu euy. Madang heula aduh. Barang lebok hayu.
Maria,
Yeah, go ahead.
we're in the control room. Steve's about to start it back up. You want to come check it out?
I'd rather eat with Ellie.
It's my turn anyway. I'll go.
I'll come with you.
I'm come with you.
It's included.
Come on, Ellie. Let's give the boys some space.
Jadi anak baik ya Eli.
I'm sending Tommy over. Stand by.
Is trick magic.
This will be the sixth time they've been
Magic.
trying to get the turbines back online.
Ada deh.
We've been here just a week. It feels like forever.
Fucking running.
Uh,
Okay, so
I got something for you.
now
Last year I went back to Texas, back home. Most of our stuff is long gone.
maybe obrolan naon sok.
Most of it. Here.
Anjing, ha, foto
It's a little
budak
faded,
aing.
but it still looks pretty good.
I'm good.
I'm good.
You sure? I mean,
I've said I'm good.
Saya bersedih dan saya baik.
okay. Well, I'll hold on to it for you.
Tommy,
Tommy, aduh.
I need to talk to you.
Gua diungkit-ungkit atau goblok saya teh.
Yeah, okay. Let me just check on my guys real quick.
Kita kucal teman di si Tommy teh. euy. Come on. Mending kasih item Tommy, aduh. Kasih item Tommy. Oh iya iya. Orang tuh kemana jalan ke dianya? Set ke dia, set locked.
I don't know what you heard, but you should see the town.
Jangan lupa item Tommy. Aduh. Oh, si Tommy, aduh, menyembunyikan item. Ambil. Yeah, fucking handgun. Anjir, full. Ambil lah.
Saya lompat bro.
Anjing, lelet 4. Nah.
It was Maria and her father. They set up this place with the idea of being self-sustained. We got crops and livestock.
Milik Maria dan
Remember how we thought
ayahnya.
no one could live like this anymore? We're doing it. Give it up.
Waduh, bobrok ya euy PLN teh.
Oh, I'll get it. Been at it for too long to give up now. What do you do for protection?
Adults take turns guarding the perimeter. We can get an electrified fence when the plant's ready.
You still gotta deal with infected though, right?
Infected.
Who doesn't? But it's the world we live in.
Maybe you
Disebutnya
don't have to be.
bukan Jumbai, infected.
You
Itu
sound
Will.
like Marlene.
Nah, ya. Wah, anjing ada babi ngepet.
Hey, buddy.
That's Buckley. Not much of a guard dog,
That's a good boy.
but he's good to have around.
Ada babi ngepet. Ambil.
These two geniuses are gonna bring this plant back to life.
Gunting.
We think we got it this time.
Ayo, kerja anak-anakku. Nona?
You don't believe us?
I didn't say that.
Nona artina teh, Wak?
Sure, make it two.
Smoke bomb upgrade.
They just need
Aduh.
to finish quick.
No rush.
Let's see what we got.
Reload.
Ito no,
Handgun.
ito ta. Ito, kapasitas na.
Ammo fire sa ini nih kepakainya, aduh. Iya nya Diablo. Bisa jadilah reload speed. Fire rate. Ab Iya. Fire rate. Sekali jedor langsung buntung. Recoil. Aman. Hunting rifle. Lah gas. Lalu kita pemborosan. Kita bakal pemborosan di sini mah. Shotgun, recoil. Duh, bingung ku mah mikirnya. Okay, let's go, buddy. Yeah,
That's good.
let's good.
To the left.
Relax. Bingung ku mah mikirnya. Aduh, hai.
Okay, that's good. Lower it.
Slow. Balik saya gawe teh tangkurak.
All right. That's good.
Tommy's here. You good to go?
Tommy shit. Second.
Okay, good to go.
Ready?
Okay, you ready?
Hit it.
Hit it. Here we go. Punyir.
We did it, boys.
Gede.
Nice work, boys.
Nice work, boy.
horn and give Maria the good news. You see that?
You see that?
Pretty
Impressive.
Looks like you're out $2 million.
All right, y'all.
All right, Joe.
Mana Jumbai?
Let's go talk.
Let's go talk. Bukannya itu. Obrol sampai
It's quite the crew you got here.
Yeah, they're good men. This place gives them a second chance.
second chance.
Gives us all a second chance.
Second chance.
So why'd you leave Boston?
Udah kabur.
I've been on quite the adventure, little brother.
Adventure lah,
Reckon
aduh
it's got
boy.
something to do with that girl.
Mencari jati diri ya.
Well,
Go on.
go on then.
Go on then.
She's immune.
Immune to what?
I've seen her- I know. I've seen her breathe enough spores to take down a dozen men. And nothing. Now, I wouldn't have believed it neither.
Jalan bakal
But I
betah.
can show you.
All right.
Bong.
I'll bite. Why bring her here?
I'm supposed to deliver to the
Ih,
firefly.
subtitle.
The way I figure they're your boys. You finish the job, you collect the whole damn payment.
I haven't seen a Firefly in years.
You know where they are. Now, I'm not asking for much, Tommy. I
Oh,
just want
berarti
some
mana
simple
ngaremehkan
gear, enough to set me
penontonnya
on my way.
tuh bisa bahasa Inggris.
What makes you think I'd do this for you?
This isn't for me, Tommy. This is for your damn cause.
My cause is my family now. You ain't talking about some walk in the park here.
Jesus, boy.
Jesus,
Have Maria
boy.
get some of your born-again friends to do it.
They got families too.
Tommy, I need this.
Anjing betul teh yang liar heula atuh.
You want some gear? Sure. But I ain't taking that girl off your hands.
Of your
This
hand.
is how you gonna repay me, huh?
Repay you.
For all those goddamn years I took care of us.
Took care. That's what you call it? I got nothing but nightmares from those years.
You survived because of me.
It wasn't worth it.
Anjing siapa naon? Polontong ka lanceuk
For
teh.
mankind, and you wanna play the pissy little brother.
We ain't back in Boston.
Anjing.
You lay your hands on me again.
Adik
it won't
jadah
matter.
ini, waduh.
The hell is that?
We're under attack. You
Anjing
still
diserang
remember how to
boy.
kill, right?
Kalau iya.
Kemana ya?
Diserang cina attack tadi ge aduh shit.
Stop him! Don't let him into the building!
Jaga-jaga lur. Tet anjing. Astagfirullah, nyerang banget. Tangkurak mana deh. Eta ku kalemna lempang. Ke atas, wah. Tangkurak. Wah, salah ini mah. Was. Doma sia. Awas ngendap boy. Siksa ini mah. Ya, manuver lah. Anjing kan iya ha. Bagor. Sakit, aduh.
Let's get to the bridge.
Kela, tungguin. Hah? Oh, bom. God damn it. Fucking asshole aja nah. Bahasa GTA. Oh, ada jalan. Wah, anjing tangkurak yang pasti ada ini musuh. Spare part. Apa ini? Alah. Member BTS. Naik. Kosong item. Ini ada kampak wa. Bacok aing sia hulu. Hakan sia bom. Waduh. Gak kena dong. Nyeri-nyeri hirup. Sakit. Senebong dia. Anjir, purus. Sekali Ini Magnum oh. Bedor. Langsung modar hirup. Wah, ini adanya lonos hirup. Kelam atuh. Si albino. Itu kumaha instruksi teh. Akan bom. Satu lagi. Siksa ini mau siksa wa adik-adik kita apa ya? Mana si jadah tong siksa kalian kampak baru ini bos. Monyet jadah. Son of a bitch. Oh. Son of a bitch.
We gotta get to the girls. Right behind you.
Kela. Wah, aduh. Reload.
Joe, do your
Haling atuh ih. Kamu tengkurak. Gak kuat, goddammit fucking Elso. Ini kebal ini mah.
Banyak tahan.
Ada satu lagi, aduh jangan buru-buru gitu hirup. Oh kosong ini mah. Oh ini si Did, wih si Did mah.
Tembak lah.
Tembak we, kana nu hirup. Awas deh. Prajurit pembela Indonesia, awas haling. Nu cupu minggir dulu. Ini teh kosong peluru. Susah baby, aduh ngekernya. Teroris. Let it go, let's go. Lah tekun. Ini teh si Marley. Wah. Aman nih, aman hirup. Maria.
I was too damn close.
You okay?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Joel. Oh man, they were coming in from every direction. Then Maria was like, "We gotta run!" And so we dove over these tables, and this huge guy blasted with a shotgun.
Oh wait.
Hey, are you hurt?
No.
God damn it.
God damn it.
I need to talk to you.
Absolutely not. You tell him to go find somebody else.
Maria, I can't have this hanging over my head.
Do you have any idea how many men we lost here today?
What's that all about?
Terus ribut sedikit.
Does that have anything to do with me?
Urusan dewasa.
Did he tell you where the lab is?
We'll talk about it later.
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 Right.
Anjing.
One fuck up and then I turn into one of those widows, okay?
I have to do this. I don't know what else to say.
Beak anjing ladang teh.
Maria.
Here we go.
You. If anything at all happens to him, it's on you.
Kalem atuh ce, aduh.
Tuh kanya, ini carekannya.
She's thankful, you know.
Yeah, I know.
I'll take that girl of yours to the Fireflies. You don't have to worry about it.
It's best this way.
Well, maybe some real good will come of this.
I need to talk to Ellie.
Say it again, I didn't hear you.
Aku tuh lelah anjir.
What is it?
That girl of yours, she took one of our horses and rode off.
Damn it. Which way?
Damn it.
Come on,
Which way?
Just saw her riding on out of here.
go back inside. Help the others clean the place up.
Okay. Careful out there.
Oke.
There,
Yeah.
see the tracks?
Incu bagong lompat. Berkuda.
Bisa lebih cepat tuh. Iya.
Hayya.
Couldn't have gotten far.
Hayya Allah falah.
Stubborn kid.
She usually pull these stunts.
Iya gede zombie.
Nothing like this. What's going on?
Dia bisa ngebacok tuh.
Yang kemana jadi?
Mana?
She didn't go down this way.
Wah, kamu mah sesat ya mengajak aku. Ya, tutur ke dewek.
Ellie, what are you thinking?
Anjing dasar incu bagong ya, aduh. Oh iya, track na aduh.
More tracks.
Kabur deh. Iya anjing incu bagong kabur. Wow. Allahu Akbar, innalillahi Gusti.
How many you see?
Too goddamn many.
Go around, I'll cover you.
Go run. Gak kena ya. Kelas sih, aing kan ngeker ya. Susah ngekerna. Bang, biar. Wah anjir. Sate ku aku. Yes, kamu di situ. Mundur 2 langkah ya, adik-adik. Biar nyantai. Kosong gitu. Itu dia. Wah si babor. Terus nyet. Modar game hero.
Right here.
Sedewasa tolong. Tembak ke jol. Tommy. Susah ini teh perbedilan.
Pakai keran.
Oke lah tuh boy, ini tuh susah. Mana si Sidin?
Ini buat
Awas, awas. Aduh, hambur peluru ini mah. Di mana sih? Ayo keluar. Mudar tau maneh teh. Wah, anjir. Kena dong. GG tak anak-anak. Sungguh membagongkan tembakan. Bismillah, aku seetik mah sombong.
sakitnya mah ya.
Sakit panah mawa.
Sini karena ngebagong.
Ngebagong ya karena aduh. Item. Ini item. Toilu.
Come on, back to the horses.
Back horse. Oh. Ayo, pencet. Nyawa ini lu penting kan. Reload.
Get him.
Loncat, gedung. Yuk. Ih, bocil aman bae aduh jalan.
Tracks keep going this way.
Let's hope they didn't get to her.
Kabur kemana budak?
Tuh, aduh punung biasa mau ngerembotkeun orang dewasa ieu. Anjing buku ngarepotkeun kieu mah nya. Ngagawekeun pisan si bocil teh. Ayo aduh, kudaku lari kencang.
Boleh bilang budak beda kenyahan guys.
Anak pungut ieu mah aduh.
Look, by the ranch. That's our horse. She's gotta be there.
Awas ya. Kasih sayang dari papi ya.
Udah jadi zombie mana?
Guys, bocil kenapa nih punung segala hirup.
Ellie,
Anjing langsung lompatna gercep kieu lari.
Ellie!
Anjing anak pungut. Oh, papa khawatir nih.
Khawatir tapi dengan item ya.
Kita cari dulu item ya. Adik-adik sambil mencari anak pungut. Ini papa khawatir nak.
Sekalian khawatir nah.
Even hurts. Aduh. Bakar rumah nama itu ka dieu deui. Boy, girl nya. Lain boy mah duh. Item, bisa masuk. Jadi lebih baik diberi komik. Oh, Vino ini mah anak-anak. Eli. Ellie, where are you? Anjir, edan eta. Gak sabar pengen ketemu anakku. Ellie.
Is this really all they had to worry about? Boys, movies,
Boys movie.
deciding which shirt goes with which skirt. It's bizarre.
Get up. We're leaving. Come on.
And if I say no?
Do you even realize what your life means? Huh?
Normal ngerepot.
Running off like that, putting yourself at risk? It's pretty goddamn stupid.
Goddamn.
Well, I guess we're both disappointed with each other then.
What do you want from me?
Admit that you wanted to get rid of me the whole time.
Pas jadi.
Tommy knows this area.
Oh,
better
fuck.
than... Well, I'm sorry. I trust him better than I trust myself.
Stop with the bullshit. What are you so afraid of?
Untuk berbohong.
That I'm gonna end up like Sam? I can't get infected. I can take care of
How
myself.
many close calls have we had?
Well, we seem to be doing all right so far.
And now you'll be doing even better with Tommy.
Not her,
Anak
you know.
bagong.
What?
Maria told me about Sarah.
Ellie,
And
you are treading on some mighty thin ice here.
I'm sorry about your daughter, Joel. But I have lost people too.
You have no idea what loss is.
Everyone I have cared for has either died or left me. Everyone fucking except for you. So don't tell me that I would be safer with someone else, because the truth is I would just be more scared.
You're right. You're not my daughter. And I sure as hell ain't your dad.
Anjing.
And we are going our separate ways.
Naon gitu.
Together. Not alone.
I got two walking in.
There's more inside already.
Nah, itu boleh.
Oke, kita lanjut di next episode.
Bertarung.
Anak bagong lah.